Hi beauties. So recently I've been loving cornrow hairstyles, and ever since I started styling my cornrows with hair extensions, I love that the beauty of this hairstyle is that I don't use feeding hair on my cornrows on my short type 4 hair. So I would say that it is a quick hairstyle. So here I'm starting off with freshly washed and moisturized hair as usual. I section my hair in half, front and back. Then I begin to section the front part of my hair with my usual braid parts already and with small rubber bands. I hope this makes sense. So that with every part, I easily just get a small section of hair from the back part of my hair to complete my parting, and it makes the process so much easier. And especially with parting the back section of the hair every time, which can be a little difficult, so this technique I find works better for me, and I don't have crooked braids. So I do want to get the tri vanity mirror, as I've seen with some content creators that it's very helpful for braiding your own hair. So it was like 12 a.m. here, but I was loving how my cornrows were turning out, and I had to finish it that night because I had to attend an event the next day. So I just apply some braiding gel in between my braid parts with every braid section, and toward the end of my hair I do add a little more hair butter and braid gel over just to seal in moisture, because it's important to keep our hair well moisturized during protective styles, and especially the ends of our hair because they are the oldest part of the hair and are prone to breakage. And the joy of completing the last braid, y'all. Yay! So it's the next day, and of course I am admiring my cornrows, the works of my hands. And I am using this soft curly hair that I got online. I live in Manila, Philippines, so I got this on Shopee. I will check the link to this hair and link it in the description and comment section for those of you residing here in the Philippines as well. So it's very easy to put on. I just tied it onto my hair tie with the rubber band it came on. Just put it over my hair tie and cover it. So this what I'm doing now is just something I like to do. If you watched my other videos, it's DIY braids hooked on elastic band that I put over the base of my hair extensions to hide the base of my natural hair tie. But of course, if you don't want to do this, you can just get a piece of hair extension and tie it around the base of your hair to hide the natural hair ponytail at the back. So I knew I wanted fringes in front, so with the old curly clip-ins that I had, I cut out 4 pieces and crocheted onto my cornrows in front. So 2 on each side. I tied and cut the excess hair. This is a hairstyle with cornrows that is just elegant. You're taking a regular cornrow and just transforming it into such a gorgeous look. So if you don't know how to cornrow, you can simply just ask someone to do it for you as a protective style that you can just switch up into this gorgeous look when you want, and just detach the hair extensions when you're at home. So I absolutely loved how it turned out. This was the first time I tried this look, you guys, and I've been loving doing this look every now and then. So for the flyaways, especially for my curly ponytail hair extensions, I use hair mousse. So this one I'm using is from the Way brand. It's so lightweight and it's not sticky at all. So I've had this for a while, so I'm just finally using it. But you can use any hair mousse you like, or even a DIY spray with some leave-in hair conditioner and water, which is how I usually would refresh my hair extensions. So here are some of the ways I wear this hairstyle. So firstly is a straight ponytail, or sometimes with a claw clip like so. So I just wrap the hair around about 3 times with just a little enough hair left to use my claw clip, which I clip below the wrapped hair for this look. And other times I go for the good old low bun. So all the looks you can wear with and without the fringes in front. I just think it's such a simple hairstyle foundation that can be versatile in a way that you can wear it in different ways for various occasions, and it's one that won't cost you a lot of money. It's also reusable and detachable. I only use 1 pack of the curly hair here. You can make it thicker if you like. So I got this 1 pack of curly hair for about 160 Philippine pesos, which is about $2.90, and the hair is 18 inches long. This is the final look and I absolutely love it. Here is my bedtime routine for my cornrows and braids and reattaching my ponytail, which you can do in just under 10 minutes, which I love. I cover my hair with a satin scarf, and I also use a satin bonnet to keep my cornrows or braids looking fresh for a longer period. I usually keep mine in for 7 to 10 days. And in between wears, I do give it a quick wash with shampoo and conditioner and just air dry. Let me know if you guys will try this look. And as always, if you like this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more cute DIY budget-friendly hairstyles like this.